Benefits of investing in large cap stocks. Investing in large cap stocks can be a great way to increase your wealth and build a strong financial future. But what exactly is a large cap stock, and why should you invest in them? In this video, we'll discuss the basics of investing in large cap stocks and explain the benefits that come with this type of investment. We'll also give some tips on how to choose the right large cap stocks to invest in and how to maximize your returns. So if you're interested in learning more about capital gains and the advantages of investing in large cap stocks, keep watching. What are large cap stocks? Large cap stocks are stocks of companies that have a market capitalization of $10 billion or more. These companies are usually well established and have a history of stable growth and profitability. They are often leaders in their industries and have a global reach, with strong brand recognition and a loyal customer base. Some examples of large cap stocks include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook. These companies have proven their ability to innovate, adapt to changing market conditions, and deliver long-term value to their shareholders. As an investor, investing in large cap stocks can offer numerous benefits. These benefits are rooted in the strong fundamentals of these companies and their ability to weather economic cycles and market fluctuations. By investing in large cap stocks, you can gain exposure to some of the most successful companies in the world, diversify your portfolio, and potentially earn substantial returns over the long term. The benefits of investing in large cap stocks. When it comes to investing in the stock market, there are several different categories of stocks to consider, including small cap, mid cap, and large cap stocks. Large cap stocks are shares of companies with a market capitalization of $10 billion or more, making them some of the biggest and most established companies in the world. One of the biggest advantages of investing in large cap stocks is the stability they offer. Because these companies are well established and have been around for many years, they often have a strong track record of steady growth. This can make them an excellent choice for investors who are looking for a long-term investment with less volatility. Another benefit of investing in large cap stocks is the potential for dividend income. Many large cap companies are well established and profitable, which means they can afford to pay out dividends to their shareholders. These dividends can provide a reliable stream of passive income, which can be especially valuable for investors who are looking for ways to supplement their retirement income. Additionally, large cap stocks can provide investors with exposure to a wide range of industries and sectors. For example, if you invest in a large cap index fund, you'll be investing in a basket of stocks from various sectors, such as technology, healthcare, finance, and more. This can help to diversify your portfolio and reduce your overall investment risk. One of the major advantages of investing in large cap companies is that their stock prices are less susceptible to manipulation. Because these companies have such large market capitalizations, it is much more difficult for individuals or groups to influence their stock prices by buying or selling large quantities of shares. In contrast, small cap companies with smaller market capitalizations are often more vulnerable to stock price manipulation. This is because it can take relatively small amounts of trading activity to have a big impact on the stock price of a smaller company. Furthermore, large cap companies are typically more closely followed by analysts and institutional investors, which can also help to reduce the likelihood of manipulation. These investors have a lot of influence in the market and are more likely to make informed investment decisions based on factors such as a company's financial performance and long-term prospects. Overall, investing in large cap companies can offer investors greater stability and less exposure to market manipulation. While there may be greater potential for high returns with small cap companies, investing in large cap stocks can be a good way to diversify a portfolio and achieve more predictable gains over the long term. Finally, large cap stocks can be an excellent choice for investors who are looking for a relatively low-risk investment with the potential for steady growth. While there is no guarantee that any stock will continue to grow, large cap companies have a proven track record of success and are often more stable than smaller companies that may be more prone to volatility. How to get started investing in large cap stocks. Investing in large cap stocks can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially generate steady returns. Here are some tips on how to get started. 1. Research. Do your homework and find out which large cap stocks are performing well and have a history of stable growth. This will help you narrow down your options and make informed decisions. 2. Choose a broker. To invest in large cap stocks, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Research and compare different brokerage firms to find one that suits your needs and offers low fees. 3. Determine your investment strategy. Before you invest, decide on your investment strategy. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? Are you willing to take on higher risks for potentially higher returns? 4. Build your portfolio. Once you've done your research and chosen a broker, start building your portfolio by selecting a mix of large cap stocks that align with your investment strategy. 5. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to market trends and news that may impact the performance of your portfolio. Investing in large cap stocks can be a smart choice for those looking for stability and potential long-term growth. With a little research and planning, you can start building a portfolio of large cap stocks that meets your financial goals. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.